this is my BMW and I have installed the Chigi navigation unit and it works with my BMW Wonder Wheels hands free. That's really something which is wonderful.
Chigi Wigi तो फाइनली मैंने इंस्टॉल कर लिया है अपने BMW में नेविगेशन यूनिट एंड ऑल्सो फ्रंट एंड बैक डैश कैम. ऑफ कोर्स डैशबोर्ड तो नहीं है बट फ्रंट एंड बैक बाइक कैम. नॉर्मल मोबाइल नेविगेशन में कभी कभी प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाते हैं बिकॉज यू माउंट योर मोबाइल, यू हैव टू यूज अ सेपरेट माउंट फॉर दैट, आइदर रैम माउंट या फिर क्वाड लॉक या बोबो एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. काफ़ी सारे माउंट्स अवेलेबल हैं मार्केट में. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू माउंट दैट एंड व्हेन एवर इट रेन्स यू सर्च फॉर अ रेन कवर. फिर आप रेन कवर वाले माउंट ढूंढते हो. दैट्स अनदर प्रॉब्लम दैट यू फेस. फिर अगर आपके पास रेन कवर नहीं है देन यू पुट योर मोबाइल बैक इनटू योर पॉकेट एंड देन यू switch on your Bluetooth to listen to the navigation rather than directly looking at it. तो काफ़ी सारे problems है जो हम face करते हैं generally while riding, while navigating, or if we meet with any unforeseen incidents, हमारे पास कोई recording नहीं होता to prove our claim. So that is the reason that I have also installed a couple of cameras front and back. So another disadvantage of using a mobile device is आपका operation. You need to remove your hand from the handlebar and operate the device. अगर आपको डायरेक्शन चेंज करना है या डेस्टिनेशन ऐड करना है, you need to search hotels, restaurants or petrol bunks on the way, then you need to remove your hand from your handlebar or you need to stop your motorcycle, otherwise it will be too unsafe. If you are doing it on the go, it will be too unsafe. But before I actually proceed further, let's see the unboxing video at V's Performance. So Vikas from V's Performance has done all the hard work installing this unit and making it operational, installing the cameras etc. तो unboxing देख लेते हैं, उसके बाद वापस आते हैं and see how it looks and feels.
So this is the Chigi AIO5 Lite smart riding system and the significant features are mentioned at the back of the box. So let's see the contents of the box and this is the Chigi AIO5 Lite main unit और screen और उसके साथ है 2 cameras. And along with that we have the CGRC cam which will enable you to use your BMW Wonder Wheels to control this particular device. So it's kind of a pure hands-free operation. Rear camera is already fitted over here and remaining mounting is going on.
So let me switch on my motorcycle. So I've connected my Chigi with my Hex Easy Scan so that it does not need a separate wiring. A wiring harness नहीं चाहिए. I have directly connected to my BMW Hex Easy Scan. अगर आप किसी दूसरे बाइक में इंस्टॉल कर रहे हैं तो make sure you get the wiring done correctly from a trained professional. So as soon as I switched on my BMW ignition, it is connected to this device. The device gets power और मेरा फ़ोन ऑटोमेटिकली इससे कनेक्टेड है. सो यू कैन यूज़ आइदर एप्पल कार प्ले या एंड्रॉयड ऑटो. आपके पास अगर एंड्रॉयड फ़ोन है डजंट मैटर, यू कैन एक्चुअली यूज़ एंड्रॉयड ऑटो even to connect to this. So I have connected using Apple CarPlay here. There's a map window here and there are certain other apps which are visible on the left. So इसके लिए आपको फ़ोन को ऑन रखने का है, फ़ोन के स्क्रीन को ऑन रखने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. Many people have asked me whether I need to switch on, keep the screen switched on in my mobile to get the access here. It will work seamlessly even with you switching off the phone screen. फ़ोन स्क्रीन को ऑफ रख सकते हैं and it will connect with your through Bluetooth to your Apple Car. So once you install this, make sure that you actually sync it with your mobile using the Chigi Go app and उसके बाद you are good to go. So जब भी आप मोटरसाइकिल ऑन करेंगे and you switch on your Bluetooth in your mobile, it will get auto synced, so no need to do anything. जो navigation आप अपने मोबाइल में सेट करेंगे it will automatically display over here without needing any sort of manual intervention. So there's one more additional unit which I have installed with my Hex Easy Scan, which is the Chigi CGRC CAN. What it actually does is that it gives the control of this device to the BMW Wonder Wheel. So अगर मैं Wonder Wheel यहाँ पे operate करूँ, so I can actually operate this device along with the Wonder Wheel.
So this is the Chigi CGRC CAN which is connected to the Hex Easy CAN. Just to get the operational control of the BMW Wonder Wheel from here.
Let me switch on my motorcycle. As I rotate my Wonder Wheel, you see the icons. It's actually toggling between the icons. और अगर मैं Apple CarPlay mode में चला जाऊँ, I just have to right click the Wonder Wheel and it goes into the main screen. So I'm getting access to almost all apps on my phone through this, and I can toggle between the icons using just the Wonder Wheel. So it's a hands-free operation. It's IP67 waterproof. तो बारिश होने पे भी आपको इसको कवर करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. You can just keep rolling. I can switch on the music that I was playing, or I can even go to the voice to search for a place. I can click on go to search for a place from my recent search options. Choose it, go there. I can go back to search. If the place is not here what I'm searching for, I can click on this icon and voice it out. Kempegowra Airport. Searching for Kempegowra Airport. It is found, and I can just start the navigation from here. So navigation on, and I'm all set to go with a hands-free operation to the airport. So now let's look at the eyes of the unit, the camera. The front camera is over here, and there is no specific place to install the camera, so it all depends on the bike that you're using. So the technician has to judiciously find a place where this camera can be put. तो ये just आपको technician के साथ बात करके you have to find a place जहाँ पे complete visibility आए, ऐसे जगह देख के आपको कैमरा इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा. You just do a trial and error before fixing it permanently. So ये front camera, and अभी आते हैं back camera में, the rear camera में. Of course इसका footage मैं दिखाऊंगा अभी थोड़ी देर में, but let's see how the cameras are placed. So ये है back camera, and both cameras record at 1080 HD resolution. It's not like 2K or 4K, but I'll show you the image quality. और फ्रंट वाले कैमरे से या बैक वाले कैमरे से आप स्टैटिक इमेजेस भी ले सकते हैं. यू कैन जस्ट यूज द BMW Wonder Wheel टू फोकस ऑन द कैमरा एंड टेक स्नैप्स इफ यू रिक्वायर. कोई जगह अच्छा लग जाए या कोई इंसिडेंट हो जाए, यू कैन जस्ट कीप टेकिंग स्नैप्स. और इसमें इमेज स्टेबलाइजेशन भी है, एंड इट हैज आल्सो गॉट वाइब्रेशन डैम्पनर. तो आपका इमेज जो है वो शेकी नहीं होता है, जो फुटेज जो है वो ब्लरी नहीं हो जाता है. एंड इट ऑल्सो हैज गॉट ब्लाइंड स्पॉट डिटेक्शन. जो आपके आसपास अगर कोई व्हीकल बहुत जल्दी क्रॉस कर रहा है या आसपास आ जा रहा है, सो इट विल एक्चुअली शो यू अ वार्निंग ऑन द स्क्रीन, and it will also show the warning at the place from where the vehicle is actually getting close to you. Right में vehicle है तो आपको right में warning दिखेगा, left में है तो left में दिखेगा. And I can toggle between the front and rear camera with the right and left click, with the right and left click of the Wonder Wheel. Left click front camera, left click again rear camera. So I can just toggle between it, and whenever I need a click or whenever I need a snap, right click and the snap is taken.
So time to see the footage. This is the front cam view, and it also captures the surrounding sound, but I have removed this for this vlog, and you can see the elements, the speed, the latitude, longitude, and the date and time being displayed on the screen. The number plates are also clearly visible. Just make sure that you keep your cam lens clean. And here I am being chased by the canine warriors of the gully. And this is the rear cam footage, as it was really early in the morning and the headlights were still switched on, so it was difficult to spot the number plates, but picture clarity is quite satisfying. Now let's see how to download the footage. Switch on the Chiggy device, go to your mobile and go to the Chiggy Go app. Connect it using the local Chiggy Wi-Fi zone created, and you are good to download the dashcam videos. Go to the dashcam album and you will be able to see all the videos displayed there. The front cam footage will have a F symbol marked on it, and the rear cam footage will have a B symbol marked on it, B for back. You can select the videos and download it locally to your mobile. While viewing the downloaded footage on your Chiggy app, you can also enable the following parameters: the time, the speed, the latitude, longitude, the altitude, the tilt, the map, the compass, and also if you have an optional TPMS, you can also check the tire pressure. So this is the AIO 5 Lite device, the look and feel while riding. And a note to all viewers that this device cannot be removed from the motorcycle. It's fixed permanently onto your motorcycle, and it does not have a rechargeable battery, so it does not require any external cables for recharging. But if you go for the AIO 5 Play, which is specifically built for the BMW mounts, then of course you can remove the device when not in use.
And the best part about this unit is it is really compact. ये just 5 इंच का स्क्रीन है, so I don't want a 7 इंच और 8 इंच बड़ा वाला IPL वाला स्क्रीन नहीं चाहिए एकदम बैठ के देखो. So I needed a very small compact screen, so this is quite compact. Second thing is that it also has a TPMS integrated, but मैंने TPMS नहीं लिया, that it comes as a separate unit but it integrates with this particular screen, but मैंने नहीं लिया because BMW has an inbuilt TPMS, integrated TPMS BMW में already है. But if you want to go for some other motorcycle where you don't have TPMS, you can also integrate it. क्योंकि क्या होता है कि I would say this is a 3-in-1 device, because normally TPMS के लिए एक अलग सा स्क्रीन आता है if you are installing a TPMS externally. नेविगेशन के लिए आप एक फ़ोन लगाते हो, so you have your screen number 2. और थर्ड है कि if you are putting cameras, if you are installing cameras, you will have a separate screen even for the cameras, so that's screen number 3. So everything is integrated into this small 5-inch screen, जहाँ पे आपको कैमरा का आउटपुट भी दिखेगा, जहाँ पे you can get your TPMS output. You'll also be able to navigate using Apple CarPlay. So this is a 3-in-1 compact unit.
So this is the behind the scenes installation of my AIO 5 Lite. Vikas is doing the installation and integrating that with my mobile.
So this is the AIO 5 Play, which is specifically meant for BMW. So this actually goes and fits into your BMW stock mount, stock mobile bracket, but that does not have the option to install the cameras. So that is the reason I've, based on Vikas's advice, I've picked up Chigi AIO 5 Lite.
That's all folks. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share it with other interested riders.